sa buong mundo. Sa panawagan ay tumugon tayo. Ibuhos natin ang buong sarili sa paggawa ng mabuti. Tayo'y tumupad ng may disiplina, magmasunurin at magpakumbaba. Sa puspusang pagtupad, tayo ay makita sa kapurihan ng Ama. Sa pagpapalaganap, pagpapatibay at pagbabagong buhay, tayo ay magtulong-tulong. Lahat ng gawain ay ating ipagtagumpay. Isulong ang ikapagtatagumpay ng mga gawain sa iglesia. Victories of the church continuously grow. This is the love of God that He never forgets to show. He never forgets to show. So let us do our part as His chosen people. Focus on our goal to receive salvation. To receive salvation. Complete the race that He has set for us. Hold on to the faith, keep running straight. On that day we'll be saved if we finish a race. If we complete a race, there's no turning back now. We're almost there. Keep doing what is right. Keep on